Fidget Toadie will be my best friend. Let's see what she would add. What would you add for these two puppets?
I'll add for these two Among Us puppets.
Okay. Ah.
Not really that bad.
What about this wacky track and this marble mesh?
I'll add this DNA stress ball and
Okay. So what would you add for all of these? These are like very good, okay?
This pretty much might surprise you, but I'm gonna give you all this stuff.
Okay, I accept. Oh my god, this is so big. Oh my gosh, I got so much fidgets. What about this burritos?
I'll give you this Squishmallow and this Burritos.
Yay!